Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a Honda Pilot. You do not need any tools. A small flat tip screwdriver will be helpful, but it's not mandatory. But you will need one of these 2032 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. First thing you want to do is on the back side, slide this down and pull out your mechanical key. Now you can take your mechanical key, put it in between these two halves, and separate the two pieces. Now you can use your mechanical key to pry this battery out, but it's a little bit more difficult. So I like to take just a flat tip screwdriver and just pry out the dead battery like that. Now your new battery is going to go in, positive side facing outward, and you'll see there's a little red light there. That's how you know it's working. Clip these two pieces back together. That part can be a little difficult, and then put your mechanical key back in, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. You're back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.